Hi everyone, thanks for joining me again for another Facebook Live video. Today we're going to touch on our little mini black box recorder. So you might have seen on our website there's a couple of different black box recorders. The mini one is by far and away the most popular. I'm going to open the box and I'm going to show you why with the help of a few aids. A 20-cent coin and a memory card. So we'll go ahead and we'll open this bad boy up. I hope everyone's looking forward to their weekend. I know I am. Shake this bad boy out. It was a lot easier when I just did this 2 seconds ago, I'll be honest. So I'll go through, we've got our instruction book.
We got ourselves a viewer.
We've got our instruction book. And then inside of this little plastic housing here is our little DIY camera. The reason why I want to highlight how good this camera is this is a 20-cent coin and this is the camera. So you can see it is literally the size of a 20-cent coin. It is one, and this is the scientific way of measuring it, to approximately 3 20-cent coins long, one 20-cent coin deep. So yeah, it's quite a small little device. It also has a magnet on it. I should have brought something metal in here to show you guys how to stick it onto something, but trust me, it's metal. It has like a little metal magnet on it, and it will stick to anything metal. Makes life a lot easier, especially if you want to try and hide it in anywhere where there's fire hydrants or anything like that. Who knows where you're going to hide it. The other thing I want to touch on is where the memory card goes. So in the back you've got this little cover here. You've got to actually have nails to open it. If you don't have nails, it's going to be a bit of a mission. So what you want to do is you want to pierce your nail right on the top of it, and then that's going to jot it down, and then you just slide it the rest of the way down. That's going to expose all the connection points. So you've got your memory card, your charge port, your reset button, and your on-off switch. Now when you want to install your memory card, make sure that the little gold tags are facing up towards the charging port. So gold tags, charging port, push it in until it clicks, and then you're good to go. Then if you wanted to, inside the box you have an option of another rear cover which has a exposed charging port on it. So what I'd suggest do is swap that out for this guy. So you can see there it's got the exposed charging port on it. We then cover it over the back of it, and then what you can do is you can actually charge the unit while it's in location. See, rather than having that cover on it that covers it, have it exposed, that way you can charge it while you're mounting it up. This was just touching on a couple of little things of what this guy can do. It does work with our Pro iCam app, and we will be going into a more in-depth episode on our YouTube channel shortly, guys. So stay tuned, like, share, subscribe. Make sure you have a good weekend, and if you can do anything, or we can do anything for you, make sure you email us or call us on 0864543871. Thanks guys, have a great weekend.